Your skeleton may seem like a static framework, but it's anything but. In fact, your entire skeleton is replaced every 10 years. This relentless recycling is driven by a sophisticated balance of destruction and creation. Osteoclasts, specialized cells, break down old bone, releasing calcium into your bloodstream. In parallel, osteoblasts build new bone by laying down collagen and other proteins. This constant renewal optimizes the strength and flexibility of your bones, allowing them to adapt to stressors and repair damage. The process is so finely tuned that it maintains both the shape and the density of your bones. Without it, even the strongest bone could turn brittle and weak. The reason behind this perpetual rebuilding lies in the dynamic environment your bones exist in. Each time you walk, run, or lift, your bones experience stress. This mechanical strain triggers a fascinating response. Bone cells sense these forces and send signals to start the remodeling process. It's a continuous feedback loop that keeps your skeleton resilient. In the absence of such stress, as in zero gravity, bones lose density rapidly. Astronauts, for example, can lose up to 1% of bone mass per month in space. This adaptability is essential for maintaining bone health under varying conditions. Your bones are also vital reservoirs of minerals, especially calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are not just structural, they play critical roles in nerve transmission and muscle contraction. When your body needs more calcium, osteoclasts accelerate the breakdown of bone to release it into the blood. Conversely, when calcium levels are adequate, osteoblasts deposit it back into bone. This delicate balance ensures your body functions optimally while keeping bones strong. It's a striking example of how interconnected your body's systems truly are. Every movement, every need is a call that your bones respond to with precision. Hormones are key players in bone remodeling. Parathyroid hormone and calcitonin regulate calcium levels, while sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone influence bone density. During puberty, a surge in these hormones leads to rapid bone growth. However, as these hormone levels decrease with age, the balance tips, leading to bone loss and conditions like osteoporosis. Postmenopausal women are particularly at risk due to decreased estrogen. This hormonal regulation is a testament to how your body maintains equilibrium across various life stages. Each bone is a testament to the lifelong interplay of forces and signals. The remarkable process of bone remodeling is not just about maintaining structure and function. It's also a powerful mechanism for adapting and evolving. Anthropologists study ancient bones to understand how human ancestors adapted to different environments. Changes in bone density and structure tell stories of survival, migration, and lifestyle. Even today, variations in bone density among populations reveal adaptations to diverse climates and activities. This ability to change, to be strong yet flexible, tells you that your bones are not just supporting you physically. They're also a living record of how life shapes you, inside and out. Deep within your bones, a microscopic dance of cells orchestrates remodeling. Osteoclasts, the bone resorbers, are large, multinucleated cells derived from white blood cell precursors. They attach to the bone's surface, secreting acids and enzymes that dissolve the mineral matrix. This process creates tiny pits on the bone's surface, visible only through a microscope. Osteoclasts are then followed by osteoblasts, which are bone-forming cells originating from the bone marrow. They fill these pits with new collagen, which later mineralizes to form new bone. This interplay ensures that your bones remain both strong and adaptable. Calcium and phosphate crystals form the mineral matrix that gives your bones their hardness. These crystals are deposited in a specific alignment, providing maximum strength. The process, called mineralization, is facilitated by proteins like osteocalcin, secreted by osteoblasts. Osteocalcin binds calcium ions, forming a scaffold for crystal deposition. These crystals account for nearly 65% of your bone's weight, making them incredibly dense. The precise arrangement of these crystals is why bones can support your weight yet remain light enough for movement. This microscopic architecture is a marvel of engineering, allowing your bones to withstand immense forces. Within the bone matrix, tiny channels called canaliculi crisscross, forming a communication network among bone cells. These channels allow osteocytes, mature bone cells, to exchange nutrients and waste. Osteocytes are nestled within the bone and send out tiny extensions through canaliculi, maintaining contact with neighboring cells. This network detects mechanical strain and communicates it to osteoblasts and osteoclasts, initiating remodeling. Researchers have found that this cellular signaling can change within milliseconds, allowing rapid response. It's an elegant system that integrates structure with function, ensuring your bones are always optimally shaped for their tasks. Bone remodeling is also influenced by your diet and activity level. Nutrients such as vitamin D and calcium are crucial for bone health. Vitamin D is synthesized in your skin upon exposure to sunlight and aids in calcium absorption. Without it, even a calcium-rich diet might not suffice. Physical activity also stimulates bone strength. Weight-bearing exercises increase bone mass by stressing the skeleton. This stress signals osteoblasts to deposit more minerals, enhancing your bone's density. Studies show that just 30 minutes of walking daily can significantly improve bone health. Every movement you make contributes to this continuous cycle of growth and repair. The regulation of bone remodeling involves a complex interplay of hormones and proteins. RANKL, a protein produced by osteoblasts, binds to receptors on osteoclast precursors, promoting their maturation. Conversely, osteoprogerin acts as a decoy receptor, inhibiting RANKL and thus osteoclast formation. This delicate balance determines the rate of bone resorption. Additionally, the WNT signaling pathway is crucial for osteoblast differentiation and function. Mutations affecting this pathway can lead to bone disorders. Scientists are exploring these molecular pathways to develop treatments for osteoporosis and other conditions. Your bones are maintained by a symphony of signals, each playing its part in this vital process. When bone remodeling goes awry, the consequences can be severe. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weakened bones, affects over 200 million people worldwide. This occurs when bone resorption outpaces formation, leading to porous bones susceptible to fractures. The hip, spine, and wrist are particularly vulnerable, with hip fractures alone resulting in significant morbidity. A study published in Osteoporosis International in 2019 noted that 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men over 50 will experience an osteoporotic fracture. Understanding the underlying mechanisms of bone remodeling is critical in developing therapies to prevent and treat these debilitating conditions. Bone remodeling can also be influenced by extreme environmental conditions. Prolonged exposure to microgravity in space causes rapid bone loss. The absence of gravitational load means bones aren't stimulated to maintain their density. Studies show astronauts can lose up to 2% of bone mass per month, primarily in weight-bearing bones like the spine and legs. NASA is investigating countermeasures, including resistance exercises and pharmaceuticals, to mitigate this loss. These efforts not only aid space exploration but also enhance our understanding of osteoporosis on Earth. Such extreme conditions provide a unique window into the adaptability and resilience of the human skeleton. Occasionally, genetic mutations reveal the edges of bone remodeling capabilities. Osteoporosis, a rare condition, results from defective osteoclasts that cannot resorb bone properly. This leads to overly dense, fragile bones and can cause complications like nerve compression and marrow failure. The condition highlights the necessity of balanced bone turnover. Studies of osteoporosis have led to insights into osteoclast function and the development of targeted treatments for bone diseases. Understanding these genetic extremes helps us decipher the fundamental processes that keep your bones healthy and functioning. Each genetic variation uncovers new layers of complexity in this essential biological system. Even the limits of bone strength can be tested in extraordinary scenarios. The human femur can withstand over 1,800 pounds of compressive force before breaking. This immense strength is due to its unique structure, a blend of dense outer layer and spongy inner matrix. These architectural features allow bones to absorb impacts and distribute loads evenly. Despite this, bones are remarkably lightweight, accounting for only 15% of your body mass. Engineers study bones' intricate design to inspire materials and structures in technology and architecture. Nature's precision-crafted framework continues to fuel innovation in ways we are just beginning to understand. The most astonishing aspect of bone remodeling might be its speed. Within just a few weeks, osteoclasts can completely resorb a segment of bone and osteoblasts can rebuild it anew. This rapid turnaround ensures bones remain dynamic and responsive to your body's needs. A 2021 study found that this efficiency allows the human skeleton to repair microfractures before they can expand into significant injuries. The orchestration of cellular signaling and mineral deposition transforms what seems solid and unchanging into a living, responsive organ. Your bones, constantly in flux, are a testament to the dynamic nature of life itself.